everybody! I'm here today to show you how to drive smoothly in an automatic car. In this video, I'll be going over the basics of smooth driving maneuvers while you're driving an automatic car. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. I'm going to start off by explaining how to drive smoothly and the factors that come into play. Then I'll demonstrate myself using those factors as I drive to my destination. And then I'm going to give you a little bonus tip towards the end. A little piece of advice that will really help you smoothen out your driving. So let's get right into it. There are essentially four different factors. Now the first one is smooth gas pedal. The second one is smooth brake pedal. The third one is smooth steering for a straight line. And the fourth is smooth steering for turns. Now I'm going to go over each of those, but essentially what you want to do is you want the movements for each of those things to be smooth. So for your gas pedal, you're not going to be pressing it roughly. You're going to smoothly press it, and you want it to be consistent with the force. And you're not looking for the spot. You know where to stop pushing. That's basically it. For the brake pedal, same thing. You want to smoothly press the brake pedal. Bring the car to a smooth stop. And I'll demonstrate all of this in just a moment. For the actual steering in a straight line, you want to make sure that you are smoothly keeping your car in a straight line. You don't want to grip the wheel too hard, but also not too loose. You want to smoothly be able to just straighten out the car. Okay, and the bonus tip will really help you for that. And for the smooth steering for turning, you want to turn the wheel at the right speed, meaning not too fast, but also not too slow. And you want it to be smooth, meaning not like this, oh, I don't know how much to turn. It's going to be like one smooth motion, just like that. One smooth motion, just like that. Okay, now for my favorite part, because let's face it, I know I have a pretty good voice, but nobody likes hearing my voice all day. So what we're going to do is we're going to reverse out of this parking spot right over here. Let's turn this notification off right there on the dash. We're reversing out of the parking spot. Sorry about that. There's a really big dip in the road right there that I had to get over in the parking lot. We're reversing out of the spot, and now we are actually going to start driving, and I'm going to demonstrate everything that I just spoke about. So right now I'm starting by pushing the gas pedal. They put pylons, I'm actually here in a parking lot, they put pylons where I'm going to exit. So I don't know if I'm going to be able to exit from here. Let's see. All right, we're going to have to take a little detour. We're going to cut through over here. Why would you do that? Sorry, anyways, I don't understand why, but whatever, it's all good. So we're detouring. Now, as I'm pushing the gas pedal, you can see that I'm doing it smoothly. Now, I'm going to come to a complete stop over here and watch how the car moves as I push the gas pedal. I'm going to smoothly apply a little bit of pressure and then a little bit more, and I'm stopping right here. Like I'm literally holding my foot in the exact same spot. And as you can see, I'm smoothly accelerating. That's a key factor there, smoothly accelerating. Now, I'm approaching a red light. I'm going to have to brake. As long as the light is still red when I get there, I'm going to have to come to complete stop. Now watch this. I'm letting off the gas pedal, and now I'm going to push the brake pedal. So there's a little interval of time before I push the brake pedal, and I'm consistently holding my foot down on the brake pedal in roughly the same spot. And that's just a matter of estimation, knowing how much you have to push the brake pedal down. Now, I've went over smooth accelerating, I went over smooth braking, now smooth turning. Watch the steering wheel. Look at how smooth that motion was. And I release it smoothly, just like that. Smooth acceleration again, gas pedal. I'm going to turn here, smooth braking. As you can see, I'm slowing down smoothly. Once again, watch the steering wheel, smooth motion. This person is jaywalking. Are they about, yes, okay, didn't even see me. Let's just come to complete stop in the middle of the road while someone just crosses in front of the car. Sure, why not? That was a smart move. Anyways, as we're driving, as you can see, smooth accelerating, smooth braking. It's just a matter of practicing your estimation so that you can do everything smoothly. All right, now check this out. As I'm driving on this road, I want to be in a straight line. So for smooth steering in a straight line, what you want to essentially do is just have your car like this, and you're basically looking further ahead. And that's the bonus tip right there. The bonus tip is the further ahead that you can look, the smoother that your movements will be. Because you can see things happening, therefore you have more time to react. You see things happening earlier on, therefore you have more time to react, which essentially allows all of your movements to be smoother. Whether it's a turn or a straight line, or changing lanes, or accelerating or braking, everything can be smoother. So you want to look further ahead. And that's basically it. I mean, in this video, I've gone over everything about driving an automatic car smoothly. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.